Hey friends, Ingrid here from Up on Journey. I want to show you my little caddy that I use back and forth within my studio and upstairs. I found this little see-through cool caddy with compartments that pretty much fit everything. I put all the washies on a little ribbon. Here I have all the Polaroids in one little compartment, and here I have the stamps that I use, acrylic block, the StazOn, homebound stamps that I always use. These are the mark making tools I use often, the white washi, keep all the tickets. In one of the compartments I have some extra stickers from Firestarter. In this little compartment I have all the small Polaroids. Here I have the journal for homebound, for beautiful, I'm gonna be using. I have kits, the board focus cards that come with the kit. Here I have some stamp sets from the With You kit. I use these often. A few washies from Firestarter. I keep the packaging for the tickets and Polaroids because they're really cool and definitely can be used in journaling. The First Beautiful, and of course the stamp set for the Beautiful series. Just want to show you my little setup. This I keep all the tiny stamps that are cut up, the Wings of Faith stamps I printed out on clear and white sticker, and a few other washi strips and elements from past kits. All the little stuff are there together. Just want to show you my little setup here. I wanted to do an entry for beautiful. Actually, first I wanted to make one of the Rolodex, a Rolodex card. This is one of the smaller ones, and I just used some tea dye and pumice stone distress sprays that work perfectly with this little Polaroid from the second Beautiful kit. I was gonna do something really quick using these little sticker words. It'd be great to use one of these washi crosses. And also the Faith words washi goes perfectly with this. I really like this. He refreshes my soul. And Seek. I'm gonna use the Trust sticker up here. One of these tiny stamps would be perfect here. I think I'm going to use the Amen. I want to use the Beautiful stamp too, but not with black, maybe like fried burlap. It's not as strong of a color. This is it. I love these. I just keep them on my desk. keep them on my desk in my little rolodex. I did one every day for Lent. Here we go.